If you're a professional over 40, you may think that growing on YouTube requires a 20-year-old's energy and a bunch of secret hacks. But you don't need hacks, you need a partner. Today, I'm showing you the invisible creative director sitting inside your YouTube studio right now that most people are completely ignoring. It's the only AI that can actually see your channel's real data, and it's about to change how you think about creating content on YouTube forever. But this isn't just some first look. I've been playing with this tool for months, and I used it to build this channel, Creator Breakout, from 0 to 700 views in 2 weeks. Not by guessing, but by asking the platform what actually works. So here are 3 things you need to know to make it work for you. Number 1, the data advantage. Before ever making a single piece of content, I pulled up Ask Studio and told it what I was doing and asked for input. I said I was starting a channel to help Gen X professionals grow on YouTube to support their businesses, and that I would be doing the same thing here myself as a YouTube strategy consultant. I asked it to gauge the audience interest in this topic for my specific demographic and asked it to identify content gaps. Now, unfortunately, you can't save conversations in Ask Studio, so I just saved them in Google Docs if you want them for the future. I probed it pretty hard, trying a bunch of different ways to get competitor information about who was killing it now in my niche and how, but sadly it won't say things like Dave, Dan, and George are the top creators in your niche today, and this is exactly how they're doing it. Maybe someday. But it will deep dive into your own data, which is super valuable if you have data, which I didn't as a new channel. So from there, I moved on to the number 1 thing creators starting new channels need to do that they often ignore, and that is to precisely define who is your audience and what problem are you solving for them. So I prompted Ask Studio to create an ideal audience avatar based on our discussion, and in a matter of seconds, it built Sarah, the legacy builder, who was pretty spot on, but will change over time as needed because these things always evolve. Action. Here's what you can do right now. If you have an existing channel, go into your YouTube studio, click the sparkle, that's what the Google people call it, and ask Studio, who is my ideal viewer based on my latest comments? If you don't have channel history, say this: I do whatever for types of people, show that benefit they'll receive from your content. Can you please identify content gaps and build me an ideal audience avatar? And by the way, I'll put these prompts in the description below. Either way you do it, the critical thing to understand is this: generic AI or third-party software can't see your deep data like Ask Studio can. And these other options don't know what's happening on YouTube right this second. They're depending on APIs and scraped data. They're middlemen. But Ask Studio is plugged into the source. It knows everything about your channel and what's happening on YouTube right now. This is your unfair advantage if you use it. But there's something else. Number 2, the efficiency play. Let's face it, tech fatigue is a thing, especially for Gen Xers who've seen it all. There are so many tech tools out there to help you get started and grow on YouTube, and they all cost $30 a month, and they all take time to learn, and they send you email all the time. It's so much cheaper and more efficient to go into Ask Studio to get what you need. For example, I have this fun camping channel that I've been ignoring lately because I'm busy trying to start a business. So I went in there and asked Studio, can you please give me 3 video ideas based on my top 50 most recent comments? And it came back with 3 really interesting ideas, which coincidentally I'm already working on. One of them, the minimalist startup. But Ask Studio came at it from a slightly different angle based on my comments, which I think I'm going to incorporate to better connect with my audience. No third-party tool can do that. It only took a few seconds to type the question, and it didn't cost me anything. YouTube's AI is the ultimate efficiency. Action. So go into your own Ask Studio right now and ask it to summarize 50 comments into 3 actionable video ideas. As a business owner, time is your most expensive asset. This tool gives you a week's worth of strategy in 15 minutes, but it goes even deeper. Number 3, the algorithm connection. Now, I mentioned it in the beginning, but I want to hammer it home here because it's so important to understand. Ask Studio understands the algorithm because it's built by the same people. the same company, the same engineers, no middleman. It's like the right-hand man or the wife, the guy or the gal, that confidant who knows everything, who can get you stuff if you know what to ask. So for example, I've been using Ask Studio to help me launch this channel. We started with a shorts velocity strategy to get early data, then moved on to posting longs. My first long form post was a disaster from the perspective of someone who's coached hundreds of creators professionally, like for real money, and seen a lot of success, but also from the perspective of having launched several successful channels myself. So you'd think I'd know how to do this right out of the gate. But no, my first video had one of the worst click-through rates I have ever seen for any creator on any channel ever. It was 0.38%. I have no words. I thought it was such a brilliant concept, but no. So after 5 hours and 5 views, 2 of which were probably me, I went into Ask Studio and asked if I should change the title, and it came back with a really helpful analysis. So you can see it gave me some detail on the impressions and the average view duration, which were all generally low, and then it gave me a plan for do this in the next 24 hours to fix it, and I gave it a title idea. So I changed the title and let it sit, which doubled the CTR overnight, click-through rate. But 1.1% click-through rate is still pretty horrible. I'm normally in the 5 to 6% range long term. So I went back, changed the thumbnail, and tweaked the title again. I let it sit for a few more hours, then had another conversation and tweaked the thumbnail slightly to make it look more raw as suggested. And now, at the time I'm outlining this script, my CTR has tripled to 3.3%, which is better, but still not great, though YouTube is now trialing this video with a larger audience, which you can see in the number of impressions here. And these are really strong impressions for a brand new channel. Now the views have gone from 5 to 97 in just a couple days, and all I did was ask Studio for input, took its advice, and ran with it. It helped me save this video from total failure, and it only took a little bit of time and didn't cost anything. Action. So go right now into your own Ask Studio and ask it to analyze your latest video. It'll tell you everything that went right, what went wrong, and how you can do better next time. So stop listening to gurus. Start listening to your own data. And if you want to see the 14-day tactical sprint that helped me get this channel its first 700 views in 2 weeks, simply using Ask Studio, I'll show you everything in this video here.